Dr. Monte here from Geeked Rehab. I've got a product that I'm really impressed with. It's from Fitbeast. It's the packaging it comes in. It's a 3-in-1 massage ball. As we open up the product, looks like this, all right? You've got 1, 2, 3 items, and you can use the 2 balls separately or combine them to make one roller. And you've got this ball is a more firm, dense feeling for a deeper massage. This one is a softer, more gentler for a tissue massage. Now, if you use them together, very simply, you just screw it into place. There we go. And the other side, like so. Now you can use them like this, which I'll show you some demonstrations on how to use it, or you can use them individually. Now these are great for massaging yourself because you can get on those hard to reach places. You can get your thighs, your glutes, your quads, your calves, your foot. I'll show you all those, as well as your low back and your mid back. It's really hard to get to those places. So this is the Fitbeast 3-in-1 massager. Let me show you some ways to use it. We'll start in the low back. You can do this in standing. You can do it laying on the ground. I'm going to start in standing. So you put it in the low back area here, and you put it up against a wall, and just squat back and forth, rolling that onto your back and forth along the spine. This is great because it has this centerpiece, okay, that your spinous processes can go right between, and you don't even feel it, and it just hits those muscles along both sides of the spine. Now, you can change the pressure by moving your feet further away from the wall. You get a little deeper pressure into your muscles. Or if you want more gentle pressure, you just stand closer to the wall and take some of that lean off of the massager. All right, so that hits your low back. You can move it up a little bit higher. Same principle. Hit the mid back, the thoracic spine muscles there. Works great just like that. Again, changing the pressure by changing the position of your feet and your lean angle. You can also move it down lower if you like. Get your glutes in there. You can turn sideways a little bit, isolate it. If you want to get a little more onto the firm ball versus the softer ball, you can change that angle and get right there. That feels pretty good on the glute medius, on the TFL, if you want to get those muscles on the side of the hip, just back and forth. Okay, you can really change how the pressure is distributed into the massager by standing on it and just putting your pressure into the wall. So those are some of the wall aspects of use. I'm going to show you how to use it also on the floor, and I'll come back and show you how to use it with the individual balls as well.